Hi everyone, it's 2022 and you may be wondering, is Bitcoin a good investment? We have discussed the advantages of digital currency regarding cryptocurrency pros and cons. You can see more videos in the description. Even though Bitcoin is becoming more famous, it still has some major weaknesses. In this video, we are going to learn the main Bitcoin disadvantages that can help you decide on Bitcoin prediction 2022 and is Bitcoin worth investing in. There are 5 Bitcoin disadvantages: legal doubts, recognition, risk of losing private key, volatility, and finally, continuous development. 1. Legal doubts. Bitcoin's legal status in several nations is still unclear. Some governments support the usage and trading of Bitcoin, while many others forbid and outlaw it. There are many concerns about criminal organizations exploiting Bitcoin. Some newspapers assume that Bitcoin's success comes from unlawful transactions. For example, when the illegal market website Silk Road was shut down, Bitcoin's value dropped. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Recognition. Although Bitcoin has been widely accepted and totally legal in many countries, other nations still lack a particular law governing this, while a few have chosen to enforce a ban while considering relevant legislation. Nevertheless, Bitcoin is still common. It would be nearly impossible to outlaw all cryptocurrencies. 3. Risk of losing private key. The key is a password that combines numbers and alphabetic characters and is used to get access to the Bitcoin wallet. If you lose this key, you'll also lose your wallet. Most current wallets, on the other hand, offer a backup function, and it is clear that users should apply it before accessing the wallet. 4. Volatility. Bitcoin's price is constantly growing and dropping, seeing many cycles and classic bubble bursts. The market capitalization of Bitcoin was blown away extremely rapidly after the top price peaks. Bitcoin's value is unpredictably fluctuating. The price rises and falls quickly. In the viewpoint of investors, this will be a significant negative. 5. Continuous development. Bitcoin's future remains uncertain at this time. Bitcoin is currently uncontrollable by the government and banks, making regulation nearly difficult. However, as it grows in popularity, governments are attempting to bring it into legal compliance. Bitcoin's inherent uniqueness will be lost, and it will become an ordinary currency. That is the end of our video. Hope you now understand more about the disadvantages of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.